What'd you do?
I broke my foot.
Ouch.
Dancing.
So Andrea was at the Nutcracker with the Continental Ballet Company, and in the middle of the performance here, she kind of heard a snap on her foot and came off stage, and basically we went to the ER after we got out of there, so that was not fun.
Nervous. They might tell me I need surgery.
And what we do is we make a relatively small incision on the outside part of the foot. We put a little guide rod that goes up.
We are about to go into surgery here. Andrea's got some good drugs, and we will come back when you're out of surgery. Hopefully say some funny stuff. Just dropped off Andrea. She's getting ready for surgery now, so they told me I had to basically head out. We're just going to wander around here. TCO is on the grounds of the Vikings facility where the Minnesota Vikings practice, and they have their own medical team here. So Andrea's in good hands, I think. Alright, we're going to go back into TCO to see if Andrea's doing okay. She's out of surgery yet. Sounds like she'll be coming out any second now. I'm going back to my cell phone because going into a hospital with a camera is not legal. So let's go and check it out. Eating some Cheez-Its.
They gave me Cheez-Its. And they gave me a special water bottle. This is my consolation prize.
Yeah, they gave me your x-rays. I don't know if you've seen them. You can see them later.
Do I look bionic?
No.
Is it cool?
It's pretty...
Is it boring?
It's pretty brutal.
No, it's not brutal.
It's pretty brutal.
Are you serious?
I mean, it's cool. You got a screw in your foot. It's a big screw. Holding your foot together.
A big screw? How far down my metatarsal does it go?
Quite a ways.
Really?
Yeah. You can see
I
if
thought
we
it was just going to be like a finishing screw.
go.
Like the kind you put to hang up pictures with.
Not quite.
So that's where we're at right now. If you notice we're not updating as often, now you know why. I'm feeling okay. I'm not in a ton of pain. I have a doctor's appointment in a couple days to see if I can start putting weight onto my boot. I'm hopefully crossing fingers that I heal quickly and everything can just go back to normal. Until then, Kyle will be doing most of the adventuring and I'll stay here and do the editing. So there will still be videos posted on our channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!